So my brother in Onitsha, this is your GLE coupe 217. We are loading it now. So guys, this is our third container inside this month. So if you are watching, you will understand that we are pushing to achieve up to 15 container, 40 feet to 10 to 15 by special grace of God. So this is the third inside this month. This particular container will carry 4. The first container will come out carry 3. The second one can carry 3. This one will carry 4. So they calculate them before they go send the audio. No, they do audio here. So we're going to update you now. When will they load? When we go float, we'll still update you now. That's so it be. Currently now we have up to 15, 40 feet inside Nigeria. We are offloading. So keep offloading. You carry you guys along so they understand. It's okay? Is that enough? So big man, once your car get to Lagos, we'll deliver them for you to Onitsha. It's okay? So this one have entered. This container will carry 4. It will carry 3 Jeep and 1 small car. So but the first container will come out carry 3. The second one can carry 3. This one and a third 4. So the next one now today na Wednesday, ba? Today na Wednesday. So but Sharon. Today na Wednesday. You have to talk to them to bring the next container. Saturday container? Yeah. 18th vessel also? This one which vessel? 18. This one is 18 vessel. Yeah, each vessel is supposed to carry 2. So tell him to bring. Talk to Chief then. Chief, I want to meet up below the Saturday for 18 vessel.
Saturday will be.
If they drop container Saturday or Friday.
Maybe next vessel 27.
27.
27. Let me go with them.
Saturday.
If you're ready, that today is 11.
If they, when I go free this one tomorrow now. So we'll finish tomorrow now. So go look Friday, Saturday. But then drop. Huh? But then drop today night or tomorrow night. So we go look Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We come out and Chief. We have plenty motor outside. Okay, so this one now is going with this one. Then another one. Okay, na chum. But many I'm going to also a good log today. Up to log many. So this one is going, and this one, and this one, Chief, and this one. So this is the one that are going. So after this group, the next another group will be GLE, coupe on another one. Then Ford, 2020 Ford, and ES, and the RS Black. That is another group we will come out. After that group, next week we'll enter another group. We don't really need that go slow. Ah! We don't really need that go. Where is this guy? Where's she? Sharon! Big man.